Hello dear students, we are going to see the fourth type of the salt which we have to prepare experimentally, that is your iron 3 chloride, that is FeCl3. Now the method of preparation is direct combination of the elements of iron and chlorine. So 2Fe plus 3Cl2 will give you 2FeCl3. In this diagram you can see here, okay, there is one diagram given here. There is a stand. On this stand one combustion tube is placed horizontally. Now this combustion tube is further attached with the arrangement in the beaker, okay, and there is one inverted funnel attached over here, okay. So here you can see that let us discuss in detail. Firstly, iron is a metal, chlorine is in the gaseous form. So from where does this chlorine comes? So here you can see there is one preparation method of chlorine given, that is manganese dioxide reacts with 4HCl, it will give you manganese chloride plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Now this chlorine gas is dry chlorine gas. So what we need to do is, in this combustion tube we are going to place the iron coil, and you can see here in the step 1 an iron coil is placed in the combustion tube and dry chlorine gas is passed through the combustion tube. We will expel out all the air from the apparatus. There should be no air. Now chlorine will react with iron. So what will happen here is, see children, air should not be present, because otherwise iron will react with oxygen to form iron oxide. So we don't want oxygen to be present here, so hence we are removing air from the apparatus. Are you getting? Now in the step 2, what you can observe here is, we are slowly heating the iron coil in the combustion tube, okay, from below. So there is slightly heating till the time the reaction starts, okay, then the heating is discontinued. Now why further the heating is discontinued? Because already the equation is exothermic in nature. Now since the reaction is exothermic in nature, so large amount of heat will be already given out in the reaction, so hence we only need initial heating, then further the heating is discontinued. So what will happen now? When the reaction will occur, iron 3 chloride which is formed, it will be collected in the receiver flask. This is the receiver flask which is attached with the tube. Now in this flask there is one beaker and there is one freezing mixture which is written in the diagram, you can see here. So freezing mixture can be your ice, okay. So in the ice you can place the beaker in which you are collecting this iron 3 chloride. Are you getting? Now in the second tube you can see here in the diagram itself that here there is one drying agent kept. Yes or no? Children, this drying agent is your fused calcium chloride. Why drying agent is kept here, children? Because it will absorb the moisture or any other water content if present, okay. As well as this is very important to keep, because iron 3 chloride which is prepared, it is a deliquescent type of salt. What is deliquescent? Those substances which absorb the moisture and dissolve in itself. Yes or no? So what will happen during this preparation? May be possible that ferric chloride will absorb the moisture, so there should be no moisture present, hence we are keeping calcium chloride. So it should be completely dried salt which should be prepared, and this hence we will store this salt in a container, in a ambered colored container. Children, what is ambered colored? We have medicine bottles, yes or no? It is not brown in color, children, it is ambered colored. That means we are going to prevent the salt from the light and heat. Are you getting? Now why we are going to prevent it from light and heat? So that the reaction may not start on its own, okay. I hope that you have understood. Thank you.